Hey Divas, Dons, welcome back to another wig install video from Temu, guys. Yay! Yes, guys, welcome back to another video. It's just going to be a quick video. I'm just changing my hairstyle this week, so we're going to put this on. I did show it to you in another video in a Temu haul, I believe. So is this what they call sister locks? Somebody tell me below. I think it's sister locks wigs, and I will leave the link below. And please, if you like this, once you see it on my head, use my link to take you through to the Temu to get this wig, and you will get some discount off. Yes. Alright, I will leave my link and everything in the description. Okay, so yeah, guys, I can't remember. I always do this. Can't remember how much this was. 30 something pound. Yeah. And I absolutely love it, but I don't know if it's gonna suit me. So that's what we're gonna see, if this suits me. That's what we're gonna see today. And comment below at the end, does it suit me or no, it's not for me? Let me know. So it's really nice. I think it's got mainly a middle part, but you can move it around, see? And it's got the 3 combs in it. It's got an adjustable detachable strap, comb at the back. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do now, as you know, we are going to color the lace, cut the lace, and install the wig. So I'll be back while I get the wig prepared, guys. Okay, please like up this video. The likes are important. If you have not been on the channel before and this is your first time, please subscribe to my channel and share the channel around. Yes, guys, back in a mo. Well, this is it so far, guys. So far, so good. I'm just setting here with the glue. So we're just waiting for that to set. And then I'm gonna get them baby hairs and see what I can do with them. Guys, you can see my YouTube light now. I think it shines better in the day for some reason. It reflects. So guys, you can see my YouTube neon sign now. Yeah. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe to the channel. I think Temu are doing very well on their wigs, and they have great selection. So yeah, guys. So we're gonna let that set and fix those baby hairs. Yes, that's what we're gonna do. Like up the video, guys. Like up the video. I'm loving this. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving this red color. I've never done red before. I've got red on my t-shirt. Yeah. Oh, I love the color. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna fix these baby hairs. I'm gonna try. Well guys, you know me say I am not the best at the baby sides, the baby hairs. I'm trying to learn, and I decided you kind of meant to cut hair really short, but I don't want to cut the baby hairs yet, guys. I don't want to cut the baby hairs yet. When the wig gets a bit older, I think I can get away with it like this. So we're going to put the band back on, and then we're going to let this dry. I need to give it a little bit of air dry. Right, like I said, guys, I'm not that good at the side bits. I'm actually whispering because I just want it to come out all right. So we're going to put the band back on, and then we'll be back to show you the end result. All right, guys, so we're back. Take this band off, and voila. Don't know, I'm not ready to cut this bit, but yeah, that's how it looks. I tied it up a bit there. So this is the wig, guys. I love it. Yes, Temu's doing good. Temu. Temu. Temu's doing good, guys. This is so nice. Light. I love the colour. Show you the back. Back is like this. I can't see until I watch back the video. Yes. Very nice. I don't know, guys, should I cut this bit? These bits here. I'm not good at the baby hair at all. But I am gonna piece of it up here. And this is how we're gonna be rocking this. I like it. Does it suit me? Tell me, guys, does this suit me? This is how the wigs stay. Is this what they call sister locks? I like it. I haven't even pulled the back down properly there. So there you have it, guys. This is how I pinned it up. And of course you can do it in many different ways. Maybe need to sort out something here. This is the side and that side. You know, I'm just learning the side bits. So I really didn't want to cut the baby hairs, but I think I'm gonna have to cut them, you know, to get that look, because this is not exactly how it should be. Yeah, we'll sort that out. But apart from that, guys, how do you like this? If you're into the dreadlocks, it's the first I ever put on anything like this on my head, looking like dreadlocks, like, kinda. I think these are what they call the Sista locks. If you look close, this is how they look. Yeah, the way they twist them. And it's a wig. Yeah, I love it. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I hope you like this wig. If you like it, check out the description. I'm gonna leave it in there. Temu wigs, affordable prices. Yes, guys. And don't forget, you can get them on Klarna. Yeah. Nice. Like up the video, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share out the video, and see you next time. I don't know what with. You have to tune in to see. Diva is